Downhill Tournament. Semifinal 2. On the right side we have today's semifinal 4. Fenix Shand. Driving in Porsche 935. Henry Hall. Driving in custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. George Atlas. Driving in 69 Camaro. And last up we have Kentucky. Driving in 82 Nissan Skyline R30. First two drivers in points will advances to the final. Race 1. Kentucky on the front right. George Atlas on the front left. Here we go. George Atlas takes the win. Followed by Kentucky, Henry Hall, and Fenix Shand. George Atlas blocks Kentucky in the first turn in the inside lane. Turn 2, Kentucky tries it on the outside lane, but George Atlas and his block hard is effective. Keep your eyes on Henry Hall's burgundy Mustang, 4th at turn 2 but 3rd at the finish. Wow. Race 2. Henry Hall on the front right. Kentucky on the front left. Here we go. Kentucky takes the win. Followed by George Atlas and Henry Hall. DNF for Fenix Shand. Scoreboard, George Atlas and Kentucky in leads with 8 points. 3rd Henry Hall and Fenix Shand 4th. Henry Hall started from pole position, but was overtaken by Kentucky in the first corner. George Atlas made it trouble first for Henry Hall and then for Fenix Shand. Henry Hall was overtaken. For Fenix Shand it was DNF. Race 3. Fenix Shand and Henry Hall on the front row. Here we go. Henry Hall takes the win. Followed by Kentucky, George Atlas, and Fenix Shand. Scoreboard, Kentucky in leads with 11 points. 2nd George Atlas with 10. 3rd Henry Hall with 9 and 4th Fenix Shand with 2. Beautiful ride by Henry Hall. But check George Atlas in the turn 2. Amazing inside pass over the Fenix Shand. Race 4. George Atlas and Fenix Shand on the front row. Here we go. George Atlas takes the win in race 4. Off course Kentucky follow him. 3rd Fenix Shand and 4th Henry Hall. George Atlas and Kentucky advance to the final round. George from 1st and Kentucky from 2nd place, only 1 point behind him. Let's take another look at George Atlas and Kentucky's wild ride. This is the 4 finalists at Downhill Tournament Series. I'm Matthew O'Brien, and I'll see you soon in the final round.